I'm out in the shop today and I'm running some X2 power drawbar parts. So I'm just out here running these parts, but I wanted to kind of do a quick video and just kind of let you guys know what's going on. I had to order some material the other day, and man, prices of material are getting outrageous. Of course you can't see what's going on there, but the coolants want to fly up everywhere. But yeah, I'm just out here running these parts. Been doing a lot of work on different screens, screens for the Altros turret. So I've been doing some screen work. I've been doing some custom screen work as well. So that's kind of about what's been going on. But I'm just trying to catch up on some of my parts and get that kind of stuff sorted out. I wanted to kind of let you guys know what's been going on. I've been running some parts, working on some personal projects, some Second Amendment type stuff, some 3D printing and that kind of stuff. Some of that I might post some videos on in the future. But I wanted to let you guys know that all the kits are currently in stock. So if you're interested in a CNC kit for the Precision Matthews, a power drawbar kit, or a belt drive kit, they are available. Also, the power drawbar kits for the X2 and the CNC kits are also available. Materials are getting outrageous. I just had to order some material for these X2 power drawbar kits, and the price of aluminum has gone up at least 30% since the first of the year. I don't know really what's going to happen in the future, so I'm going to keep the prices the same until the end of the year, and after the first of the year I'm going to kind of reevaluate. So an interesting little Christmas project that I'm going to be doing, so stay tuned for that. I guess that'll wrap up this video. I'm going to get back to machining these parts. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, you like the video content, you can click on the subscribe button down below. Also click on the little bell for notifications, and if I post a new video, they'll send you a link, and if it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check it out. Guys, I want to wish everyone happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.